Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to change email address on PlayStation. Before we begin with the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any other tutorials like this. To change email address on PlayStation, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.playstation.com, then press on enter. With that you'll be taken to PlayStation's website. Now here you need to first select your country or your region. Look for your country or region, then click on the country or your region. With that you'll be guided to the PlayStation's website again. You need to first sign in to change your email address on PlayStation, so click on sign in option at top. Then go through the sign in process. After signing in, here you can see you'll be logged into your account. Now here you need to click on your avatar at top right section of the website. Then click on account settings at second. Then you can see your information. Now click on security at second. Then click on continue to go on the another page. Now here you can see your security information. On the top you can see your email address. Click on edit at its side. Then here you can see email ID changing box. Click on the box with your present email address, then remove the email address. With that, enter the email address that you want to use. After entering your email address, click on save at the down. An email will be sent to your new email address. So you need to go through your mail and look for the mail sent by Sony. Then click on the given email. Now here you can see the option of verify now. Click on verify now. Then you'll be guided to PlayStation's website again. With that, your email address will be verified. Now click on OK. Then you'll again be guided to the page where you need to select your region or your country. Click on your region or your country. Then here you can see sign in option at top right section of the website. Click on sign in. Then continue with the sign in process. After continuing with your sign in process, you will successfully be able to change your email address on the PlayStation. As you can see here, my email address on PlayStation has been changed. This is how we can change email address on PlayStation. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.